We've had a lot of road construction in the past few years and have covered many construction accidents. But a murder, very unusual, but that's what happened today. And this is the man investigators are looking for, Mason Toney. According to deputies, Toney allegedly stabbed his co-worker, 28-year-old William Knight, to death on the construction site around 10:45 this morning. From Chopper 2, his co-workers could be seen consoling each other, who were clearly upset. What was the motive? Investigators are not saying. The crew was working to widen the Florida Turnpike near the beach line. Investigators say after the suspect stabbed Knight to death, he took off. Investigators say Toney took off in a company truck that looks like this, a white Dodge pickup. If you have any information that can help, investigators are asking you to call Crime Line. In Orange County, Michelle Meredith, WESH 2 News.
All right, we want you to take another good look at your screen here. This is the man who deputies are searching for right now. They say Mason Toney's truck has Florida tags LGZ-X24. It may also have a silver toolbox in the back that is broken and tied down with yellow rope. There's a number on the front fender in red. It's 96596. Again, he is considered armed and dangerous. So if you see him, law enforcement says do not approach him, but instead just dial 911. And if your information is helpful, you may be eligible for a reward of up to $5,000.